Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an interesting graph coming out of Lansweeper. Lansweeper has kind of done a survey by looking at organizations, industries, and so on, and put a estimated number of people that are on Windows 10 according to their own statistics that show enterprise mostly, but Windows clients that are out there. And what they're saying is that although Windows 10 did really go down from 47.9% in July of 2025, June of 2026, Windows 10 has dropped to 17.9%. And they are saying that Windows 11 is at more than 75% now around the world. So a lot of people think that Windows 10 is still dominating, and it's really not. It's a shadow of its former self. But they are actually looking at the portrait and saying, well, you know what? Looking at the picture, where we are now is pretty much we have squeezed all Windows 10 users possible to move to Windows 11 now. And that what's left is the hardcore that just doesn't budge. And they're saying that that will be a very tough thing to do. Even saying that a lot of Windows 10 users will simply refuse to move on even at end of support. And they say that has a lot of people worried in a way, because if you don't have some form of security updates, you'll get quite rapidly, outdated, and you'll have security flaws that could be dangerous to exploit. But they do say that, Microsoft seems to have kind of just, accepted the fact that, well, this is the deal with Windows 10. This is also why they've extended Windows 10's end of support. Numbers, the only number from Microsoft we have is that they do say 1.6 billion PCs are running Windows. So that's a lot of machines. And of course, that's 78%, more than a billion, are running Windows 11. It's a fact that Windows 11 has been, is now the number one operating system for Windows. So interesting numbers. It's tough to get real numbers. Nobody really looks at hardcore numbers of Windows market share. The only ones we have are Stat Counter, and Stat Counter has its own problems and how they, show the numbers. And basically, they are not super reliable, and they're actually not meant to really look at, specific things like market share for operating systems. But it's obvious that from their point of view, Lansweeper says we've reached a point where Windows 10 users, it's the hardcore that's left, and that will stay like that for a while. And that the only leverage Microsoft has is to remind everybody regularly that, oh, well, you remember in October 2027, Windows 10 end of support is arriving. And of course, we talked about it here, and a lot of you know that there's options out there. If even without the Patch Tuesday updates from Microsoft, you can go and get some patches by a company called Zero Patch, and it will continue to patch the big security holes in Windows 10, and they promised that they will do that until at least 2032, I believe. So will be interesting to see the future, but yeah, I think I even with the inaccurate stat counter numbers, I think it's obvious that we've reached a point where Windows 11 is stalling, and Windows 10 users are the core users that don't want to move. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.